Mark out your balustrade with a chalk line on the center of the proposed channel. Note: the channel is 65 mm, so keep at least 35 mm from any edge. Begin to lay out the channel accordingly, and cut lengths to size. Allow 150 mm for the corner pieces, checking square and level as you go. Once satisfied with the proposed layout and cuts, you can start to mark the fixing holes along the chalk line at 250 mm spacings. If you have cut the channel, you may want to re-drill additional fixing holes. Drill the holes for suitable size fixings according to the base type. Now we can begin to assemble the full track. Gently tap in coupling pins into the ends of each channel to join into adjacent runs and corners. For end of runs, end plates can be glued and screwed into position. It's recommended you do this now before fixing the channel down where you may restrict access. Check square and plumb before fixing. Packers can be used on the underside to adjust levels. It is essential you get the channel level now, as any discrepancy will show through to the glass later. Continue for all channel before moving on. Now time for the gasket. Starting from one end, insert the rubber gasket into the channel and work along the length. Once complete, we can begin the glazing install. Taking the L-shaped wedges, place them against the external side of the channel around 220 to 250 mm spacings. Carefully place your first glazed panel into position and check levels. Pack underside to adjust if needed. Insert wedges on the inside and gently tap into position until the glass is held firm, checking levels as you go, before proceeding to the next pane. When fitting the next piece, ensure to leave a 5 to 10 mm gap between glass panels. For specific runs, alternate between stock glass panels sold in 300, 600, and 1 meter sections, or contact us for bespoke panels. Glass connectors can be inserted also to connect between two panels like shown, now to fit the internal side B gasket. Optional finishes can be cut and glued, such as stainless steel fascias, as well as powder-coated options using a suitable exterior-grade adhesive. If you want to add a handrail, start by cutting the lengths to size and fitting the connectors, including straight couplers. Adjustable corner pieces can be used for 90-degree or other bends. Fit end caps to finish. Once you're happy with the layout, cut and fit the rubber U-shaped gasket around the full perimeter of the glass, and then gently tap the handrail capping into position with a rubber mallet and enjoy your frameless glass balustrade for years to come.